Kabitan na natin ang camera to sa loob using the Insta360 Ace Pro para sa ating review. As you can see, ito yung malaking wow factor dito. Tapos meron siya magandang steering wheel. It's in code orange. Ganda ng kulay niya. Test drive si Mami sa Ranger Raptor. Ganda. So tapos na po tayo sa review ng ating Ford Ranger Raptor. So lalabas po to sa ating YouTube channel. And another nakasakay ka na ba episode. If you're trying to get a pickup truck na you want to take anywhere and medyo adventurous kayo, consider getting this one. So one of the top picks pickup truck this year.